Have you ever heard of Nils Bohlin? No? Believe it or not, this man has saved thousands and thousands of lives, maybe even yours. Nils Bolan was an engineer working for Volvo. In 1959, he created the modern design for the seat belt. Now earlier, a seat belt crossed only over your lap. That was called the 2-point seat belt and it wasn't effective. Bolan created the 3-point seat belt, crossing over your stomach and your torso, keeping you much safer. The president of Volvo had himself lost a close relative to a car accident. That was his motivation for creating a far safer car. So surprisingly, despite the fact that Volvo did file for a patent for this modern seat belt, it left the patent open for use by all other competitors as well. Safety for all, right? So, every time you sit in a car, wear a seat belt and thank Volvo. Found this interesting? For more such interesting IT stories, follow us.